In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Luma AI. Now, the first thing you want to do is go to lumalabs.ai, and this is where you find Luma. So this is basically an AI tool that lets you generate text to some 3D images and interactive 3D scenes, and it's a pretty cool AI software. As you can see, their website is already very interactive, and now I'm going to show you how to use it. Now, the first option we have over here is called Imagine, and now I'm going to open this up and show you how it works. So, inside Imagine, you can create whatever you'd like to create, okay? As you can see here, multiple different prompts that show you what was written in there, so they got this 3D model of an image, but in my case, I'm going to write something different. Let's say we want a sword made out of fire, okay? You just type in what you'd like to see and then press on create. Then you have to wait for a few seconds for this to load up and for the 3D model images to generate. Now, as you can see, they were all generated, and you can select whichever one you'd like or click on retry, and the click on retry will generate 4 new images again. Now, in my case, I like this first sword the best, so I'm going to select it. And then you have multiple options. You can make it high resolution by clicking make high res over here, but this takes a few minutes usually, and you're gonna have to wait a little bit. And the second option is by clicking on variations. So when you click on variations, it's going to make different variations of that very sword I just selected. Now, as you can see, these are much more similar to the one that I used, and you can then select which one you like the best. In my case, it's going to be this one, and then it starts creating interactive 3D model. You have to wait a few seconds, and that's it. As you can see, this is a 3D model, and you can then download it to your computer, so you can select how you'd like it to be. Now, in this case, there's multiple formats. As you can see, you can use all of these from the drop-down menu. I'm going to select blend for this case, and then when you click download, it's going to start converting mesh, and then it's going to start downloading your blend file. And as you can see, the blend file is now downloaded to my computer, and I can use it however I like. You can also share these 3D models by clicking over here, or simply going out and creating more. Now you can click on creations up here, where you can see all the images you've created in the past. I created a tiger dressed as a Santa, which the software suggested me, and as you can see here, the swords are made of fire we just created. So this is the first way of using Luma AI, the Imagine feature, and the second one is the Capture feature. And if you click on it, as you can see, it says gorgeous, embeddable, and universally shareable 3D, brought to you by Luma, the 3D AI company. Now, you can do this by starting now on web for free, okay? And this is actually pretty cool. You can read down here of what that is, but I'm going to show you how to use it. You simply click on Start Now on web for free over here. And make sure you're signed in for all of this, by the way. In order for this to work, you have to be signed in. You can easily log in with Google, and it takes only a few seconds, so we can start using Luma. And then you have to drag or drop a file over here, or just click and select, and it can be any image. But I'm not going to do this right now. I'm going to show you what other people have created, okay? So let's say we want to see this car over here, okay? Somebody imported an image of their car, and Luma created a 3D environment where this car is in the middle, or this Ferrari is in the middle of the attention, okay? And as you can see, this is pretty cool. Now, you can also see the title and who created this and when the 3D render was created. And yeah, you can create your own by simply clicking create over here, and then drag and drop it in your image, and it's going to make a 3D render for you. So these are the two ways of using Luma AI. It's a pretty fun tool you can play around with or use for your own projects, or maybe even something else. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you like the video.